Welcome. If you're facing issues logging into Pinterest, you're not alone. Many users encounter login problems, but don't worry. Today, we'll walk you through some effective steps to resolve this issue. First, close the app and reopen it. This simple action can refresh the app and clear any temporary glitches that may be causing the login problem. Next, ensure that your username and password are correct. Double-check for any typos or mistakes. If your password includes complex characters or is case-sensitive, make sure you enter it exactly as it should be. Then, it's time to check your internet connection. Open your device's settings and click on the network icon to verify that you are connected to a stable network. A weak connection can often lead to login issues. If your connection seems fine, restart your device. This can help reset any underlying issues with the operating system or network settings. After restarting, open the app again and attempt to log in. If you're still having trouble, it might be necessary to clear the app cache. To do this, go to your device settings, find Pinterest settings, and select the option to clear data. From there, choose Clear Cache and confirm your choice. If these steps don't resolve the issue, consider checking for updates for the Pinterest app in your App Store. An outdated version may cause compatibility issues that hinder your ability to log in. Lastly, if problems persist, you might want to try deleting and reinstalling the Pinterest app altogether. This process can eliminate any corrupted files or settings that could be causing login difficulties. By following these steps, closing and reopening the app, verifying your credentials, checking your internet connection, restarting your device, clearing app cache, and reinstalling the app, you should be able to fix any Pinterest login problems you encounter. Thank you for tuning in. We hope these tips help you get back to pinning in no time.